you, Lord, for leading me to the person I never expected to meet.
Every night, yes, if you were the
Our
rain.
big day. Salamat sa Lord kasi hindi niya tayo pinapapayaan. At every time na we have struggles, hindi natin iniisip na sumuko.
I just look up to the sky and I'd say, that's okay.
Kalog, tapos pag namumudi ako, moody din siya. Pero ano siya, in-inspire niya ako in a way na kahit ako yung nangaaway, siya pa rin yung nagsasolve.
I don't mind a little time with no sunshine.
I know you so well, your like, so interest, and I hope you love it. Enjoy the special day. It's our to celebrate. I love you and I'll see you soon. Thank you, Daddy Bern. I'll see you later.
Like rain into my arms and finally leave the sky.
I hope na magustuhan mo. Enjoy your big day. I love you so much. See you later. Huwag kang iiyak.
Know exactly what I'm gonna do. I just look up to the sky and I say, that's okay. 'Cause today, well, I wanna play in the rain. That's alright. I don't mind a little time with no sunshine.
So sa engineering, mayroong salitang couple. Ang couple ay is expressed in terms of force. Ang mag-asawa ay parehong force mayroon, parehong rights mayroon. Pag umikot siya na magkaisa, may nagagawa siyang powerful kung anong bagay ang kanyang design.
Sayang pa kasi di mo nakita to. I hope you're happy kasi nakita ko na yung right man na binigay ng Lord sa akin. Pogi, kinakabahan ka.
It's been a long, long time.
Thank you, Lord, for this day, Panginoon, na ibinigay niyo po sa amin, Lord, even na umuulan. Ang mahalaga po ay kasama ko yung taong mahal namin sa buhay at kasama ko si Britney. And I pray, God, na hanggang sa matapos itong kasal namin, Lord, ay maging memorable to sa amin hanggang sa aming pagtanda. And kayo po ang mag-guide, Lord, to the beginning at to the end, Panginoon.
So I'll sing it loud in the silence and give the best of me till it's all.
Ngayon nag-aasawa ka na. Alam mo na yung mga gawaing bahay. Kaya ang masasabi ko, mahalang kayo. At saka, maging ano ka, maging matured na. Ayun lang.
It's been a long, long time since I've seen sunlight through the rain.
So, maraming salamat dahil lumaki ako ng maayos. So, ipinagpapasalamat ko sa Diyos na kayo ang naging magulang ko at hindi mapuputol yung relasyon ko at obligasyon ko para sa inyo. Thank you so much.
It's screaming out for more, but I don't feel the same. But we'll be alright.
Today, surrounding the important people in our lives, we are here ready to unite as one. Thank you for your love, support, and belief in me. I promise to love you more each day, to take care of you, and to work hard for bright future and a good health. All with the Lord's presence guide us.
'Cause it's all we know, and it's only change. Sunsets on the old, but we're not turtle anyway. This is how we know it'll be okay. These are the times we will.
na mahal kita. Proud ako sa mga narating natin sa buhay. Dahil kasama natin ang Diyos at ang ating mga mahal sa buhay. Pangakong ikaw lang sa habang buhay. Bernie Pokis, I love you.
These are the times we will hold in the silence. Now I give it all of me, and it's alright that it's over. And I found fight like a soldier coming home in the silence. But I never felt so free. The future's so bright. This is our time, and I live our dream. Because it's so real, and it's only change. Sunsets on the road, but we're not eternal anyway. And this is how we love. It'll be okay. All the times we will hold when our memories fade. Sometimes it takes times like these to know you're in the right place.